What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Wisbin 392. You know, we're here. Me and my boy right here, my homie Machu. You guys know the vibe, man. You know, we're gonna get it together. Today we're doing Wicker belt. We're installing the Wicker belt, so you guys stay with us and see how much we'll do it, man. You know, Machu, what we got? What we got, Machu?
What do you got?
Got the Wicker belt, everything, y'all.
Got everything.
We lit tonight. Look at the car, y'all. Look at it.
Yeah, make it sexy, bro.
Yep.
Yeah, make it sexy.
Look at all that, guys. Everything is carbon. Got Machu. Yes, Wicker belt. 392. This is the front. I'm gonna give you guys yep. So you see it. Wicker belt installation. It's gonna be a great day today, honestly. Machu, what are you looking for? It's my dog right here. He does it all. We're gonna do stripes soon, as soon as it comes. It's my dog right here, y'all. I have you can open it. I have what do you call it? All the trash.
Try to just
Yeah, I know what time it is. You wanna do it with which one? This one?
Yeah, the yellow one's not. It's not sticking at all. You're spoiled, bro. You can't stick anything on your spoiler.
Yes, let me hold the.
Yeah, somewhat here.
All right, I got you.
You like it high, like regular.
How is it?
You like it high, like that, or like?
Guys know what's up with it. Wicker belt.
And take it to shower.
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Instagram is what?
Instagram? It's M98 underscore. It's MTT_98J.
Yep, you guys.
Got it.
Gonna get you right, y'all. No cap, look at this. Look at the job, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wicker Bell is done, y'all. Look at that. Look. That's sick. Let me put it in the snap right away. Gotta look crazy. Let me give you a look from far away. Sir. Look at that. Damn. That's crazy, y'all. No cap. Loud, man. Super loud.
That's a downgrade. Hey yo.
I'm outer space, nigga. And she fucking with a basic nigga. That's a downgrade, that's a downgrade, that's a downgrade. I'm outer space, nigga. And she fucking with a